Yeah? Yeah.
What up, y'all? Long time no see. It's only been like a month or so, but unfortunately around the end of August, which was last month, someone decided they wanted to break into my house. So it's been kind of a mess since, and I just haven't been able to make the time to record or even really get any work done on the cars. But we're about to go to the car meet in a little bit, and I was kind of bored, so I figured I might as well try to get something done. E93 is a mess right now. I'm looking for the suction cup. Found it. But I ended up getting something for the E93, and this was around my birthday, which was at the beginning of September, so I just haven't done it yet. But I got a new steering wheel, alcantara suede with the feels like it's leather, and white stitching. I didn't want to go anything like colorful on it, just because if I ever decide to sell this car, I don't want to have to replace stuff back to the OEM or the stock stuff, and I don't want it to be all types of funky so that someone doesn't want to buy it. Because if I were to, I don't know, I don't really like the M Performance stripe stuff, so I know some people do, but that's just not my thing. I don't like it on the steering wheels or the red, white, and blue stitching. Shumao's got the purple match for his E46 M3 though. Those are fire. So first thing I've got to do is I've just got to take out this bolt, get this off the battery. It's a mess back here because it's the wrong battery apparently, and now I know why I was having so much difficulty trying to get it mounted up and fitting correctly. But when I went to North Raleigh Performance to get my FRM redone, the company that redoes the FRMs said that it could possibly be the battery, and so that might be the issue. But I'm going to get like the correct battery, I guess. I don't know exactly which battery it is, but I'm gonna get the correct battery, and when I go and get the throttle body actuators replaced, it's just the Bank 1 throttle actuator, but I replaced them last year and it already went out, so I'm gonna go have them take care of that and maybe fix a couple other things while they're at it. So pretty sure it's a 13mm. Yeah, it is. So I'm pretty sure that took all the power from the car. But yep. So power to the car is off. I don't know if any of you have ever replaced a BMW steering wheel, but there's these little holes right there on the back of the steering wheel. That's a T20 on these, and then there's another one on the bottom right here. So yeah, I'll get that out, put the new one in. I've got to switch the buttons on these because these are just normal 3 series buttons, so I've got to move my M button and everything over. Yeah. Okay, so I got those bolts loose, but apparently since this is the sport airbag, it's different than the normal like E46 steering wheels. It's not just the bolts, there's these little dimples on the steering wheel. I've got to poke in a flathead and basically press a retaining clip that holds in the airbag, and then I can pop it out. But the clips are loose on the trim. Once I get the airbag out, I can take the trim off and switch out the buttons and start with the new wheel. Okay, so got the airbag out. These 2 clips go right here in the airbag, green and black. If you're using this as a tutorial, these clips snap back in, so you need a pry tool or a flathead to get under there and just pop that up, and then the whole thing comes out of the airbag. So about to get this off. Got to undo these screws a little bit more, and then if I am recalling correctly, that's either a 16 or 18. So I don't know if it'll show up on camera, but look at all these freaking mosquitoes, bro. I'm getting eaten up. It is a 16. What I did notice about these wheels is that little part down on the bottom, there's a little space where there's no grooves. All of the aftermarket hubs and stuff that I've bought haven't had those. So I'm assuming that this should go smooth and it shouldn't be crooked because of that, but I'm still paying attention to where the wheel kind of sits right now in case there's no, like, if that's just on the steering wheel and there's no place that matches up with that on the, like, the hub that takes the steering wheel, then I'm gonna just have to try and guess it. But I'm about to get this thing off. And it's off. And I'm sweaty. But I'm about to put the new one on, so give me a second. And she's done. So exciting. Yeah. No, I'm stoked about this. I bought it for myself for my birthday, but a ton of not happy stuff happened, so I didn't really get to enjoy it as I planned on it. But I wasn't planning on driving this to the meet tonight, but since I did this, I don't see why I wouldn't, and it's nice out, so I can put the top down. I'm done with having these mosquitoes eat me up, and this thing needs a bath, so I'll probably go take it to the car wash. But I'm gonna plug the battery in and then be on my merry way. I'll probably end up bringing y'all just for a minute, show y'all some of the cars there. Just to make sure we don't have anything wrong, I want to make sure no lights come on, make sure none of the wiring in the airbag was defective. Love to see it. When the time came up, it honestly scared me a little bit. I forgot that they do that when you unplug the battery. And I also wanted to make sure that my FRM still works since I unplugged the battery, because for whatever reason, when North Raleigh Performance unplugged the battery, it just wanted to stop working, which not their fault, and I did have it rebuilt, so I mean, I guess it's the car's fault. Yeah, she's looking nice. It's a lot better. I got some more interior mods coming along here shortly. I got to drive down to Atlanta, Georgia to pick some up, but I'm gonna let this thing chill for a minute and warm up, and then go to the car wash. I gotta walk my dog. She peed inside, but it only took me, I started at 6:40 or 5:45. It's only 6:35 now, and I was also walking back and forth between the car and the house just because I didn't have every single tool I needed on me, and then I ended up walking the dog. So really it was probably like a 30 to 40 minute job. So it's really not too bad. It's probably one of the easiest serious modifications I say that you could do to one of these cars. But mount you all up somewhere and get to the car wash. Now this thing is low-key a pain to set up straight sometimes. But I'm gonna stop at McDonald's first because they haven't had frappes in a little while, but the manager texted me because I'm cool with her like that, and the blender, they got a new blender, so it's working now. I'm gonna go get me one because I love me a frappe when I'm washing the car. It got a little cooler since I started, like since I changed the steering wheel, but and it's warmed up. It's at 210 now, so this is the first time I've got video of it since I've driven it with the tune. I plan on getting a new clutch, the Future Classic valve covers and the valve cover seals before my house got broken into, but now I don't think it makes sense to spend that much money, so I'm gonna wait a little bit. I'm gonna be moving here soon to a nicer house. I want to get this thing garaged so I don't have to worry about anything happening with this, and I'll have more time to work on all of the cars, take care of more of the projects. I really like to be able to work on stuff whenever I want and not be it not be determined by whether it's raining or dark out. McDonald's, some guy in a Malibu or a Chevy Cruze, I don't know, something tried to get off on me at the light. Obviously I couldn't let that happen, but I just passed a cop, and not like I was speeding or anything, but registration's bad in this car, and I just constantly forget because I haven't been driving this for a while. So hopefully I don't think he's pulling it. He would have done that by now. Yeah. Told you, gotta have frappe. Like I said, I haven't been driving it. That's why the registration's still bad, because I just don't want to go pay for something before I start using it again. But I'm about to go the opposite way, so the cop that was posted up doesn't possibly pull out behind me. Because they don't be pulling you over really for exhaust where I live. But they will get behind you and just run your plates and see what's up with you, so I like to avoid that. Just because my record's clean, I don't got anything on it that would make them want to pull me, but they would see that my tags were bad once they got behind me. So I take the long way to the car wash. Like 30% left on the camera, so I'm gonna just turn y'all off until I'm at the car wash. Got Camaro. First thing I want to do, since I have the top down, I want to clean all this stuff up, take care of the rubber, take care of the seals, all that little stuff before I go, because I'm gonna have the top down at the meet. I just want it to look nice. Looks a whole lot better. It's still some in the cracks and stuff, but I just did it quick with a microfiber. But I'm gonna put the top up and then get to it. Probably get these seals on that too. Now for the fun part. If it wants to take my money, sometimes it... Oh! They just got tapped to pay. Fancy. Just lost my rear roundel. Guess I gotta buy a new trunk. I'm not doing the whole thing. I'm not drying the whole thing off, but I just want to get it dry enough so I can put the top down without it having leaking water everywhere, you know. Can't have that. Alright, I'm gonna put y'all back up. and get you out the way to the meet. Oh wow, the light turned yellow right as I was fucking coming up to it. But we're about to pull up. There was this loud, super loud and super slow Honda that was driving by me. I thought they were coming to the meet, but I guess they weren't. They were just driving. I don't want to run this red light, but obviously I can't, so. Put y'all right here for a second for when the light turns green for me. I've got to go to the bathroom so bad. Hopefully Devin or Gavin is here. I can just hand the camera to them and run in there, go handle my business. Hi, Noah. No, it's not. Louder.
Hi.
Who gave him the? No, he needs to turn it up a little bit though. Are any?
Hi.
Turn it up, bro. All right, try it out.
I regret it.
Hi.
Hi. Are any of my people here yet? Are any of my peoples here yet? Or no?
I haven't seen you, buddy.
Alright, I'm gonna go park. I gotta go to the bathroom. Bye, Noah! That's my little man's. Turning him into a, you know, I don't know what you would call it. Something bad, being bad influences and that kind of stuff. Oh, they're racing.
No, hey, now that car went in front of me. What you think I was gonna do to bro? I was about to tear that nigga up. All right, my turn.
I'm parking by the Volkswagens and all the fucking. Might end up moving, I don't know. None of my people are here yet. And I'm pretty sure I'm the only E9X M3, so, but I'll put y'all away for now once the guys come out, or unless something interesting is going on, like more races that shouldn't be happening, then I'll pull y'all back out. Well, all the bikes are pulling up, so I'm pretty sure that means Matt, Devin, Megan. Hi!
What up, nigga?
What up, bro?
Hey, can I give you cash and you send me money on Cash App?
I think so, yeah.
I got $3.50.
Yeah. Does it have to be Cash App or could it be Venmo?
It can be Venmo.
Okay, yeah.
I don't care. I can't deposit this because I have USAA.
I got
I need to
you.
give cash.
Give me like a couple minutes.
All right, come back, see me.
they parking at? Devin, you're done. I'm gonna go wherever they're parking. Oh, I put the steering wheel in. Huh? I put the steering wheel in. Bro leaving with the RX-7. He'll probably come back.
Yeah, it's very wheelie.
Yeah, no, it's nice.
It's round?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah?
It is round.
Soft?
Yeah.
Very nice, very nice.
Looks good. Looks the same.
Does it still honk?
Yeah.
No, it doesn't. It's
the
broken.
car's off.
Bro, you...
Stupid.
It's broken. It's a BMW.
You're broken. It is a broken BMW, but that's not broken. Bro, it's on TE.
Where'd they park at?
He was on TD.
Oh, I want to see this.
TEs.
I want to see this.
Oh, I was like,
I want to see this. This shit is...
Alright. Here.
Dude,
Yeah,
I fucking passed.
Go do a breakdown on it. Tell 'em all
breakdown?
what's done, yeah.
Alright, so this is a S14 Kooky with a fat fucking exhaust tip because you know he's like that and he spits massive flames. We got some tandems.
The exhaust on the license plate because it's true JDM. Oh, that was a Kooky on there. I thought it said Tome on it. Oh, I'm tripping. Dyslexic.
We got the vented AutoZone $30 special. We got the hood pops for when you race, and then you need to take the hood off because
he's on the Cansies, however you say it.
You got the
Gap wheels. Cancer wheels. We got headlights that are clear. You could definitely see the light through those.
You can, yeah, that makes for 100% visibility at all times. And then we got a little broken heart in there because, you know, sad boy hours. And sunroof, that's not a sunroof.
What is there? It was a sunroof. It's for sun.
It's got mirrors so that you can see the people behind you.
Yeah.
So that when you two-step, you can see their ankles getting burned by the flames.
By the sheesh.
Overall, very clean. I like the build.
You definitely chose the wrong car.
And we got the, oh shit.
Yeah.
So this was my favorite car, now this is my favorite car. Because oh my god, dude, look at this masterpiece. We got some big old bitties, and they say Honda. Can't go wrong with that.
Very appropriate.
We got some carbon fiber here. I don't know if it's real or not.
Dude, they have
oh, you know it's real.
Look at all the patches up there. It's like 3,000 horse.
That's like at least 400 horsepower right there.
Dude, that's thousands of power.
Just that.
Dude, they've got the guards on the inside of the door handles so they don't scratch them.
She keeps it nice.
Yeah. So the fingernails, you know.
TEs.
Grabbing it like monster sticks.
Yellow calipers to match
Yeah,
the
not
wrap.
lying, my TEs would go on this. Like, they're Honda Type R specs.
I don't really care.
That's cool. It's not my car anyways.
Yeah. You're right.
Yeah.
Fuck off, Yogi. Oh, it's got a Mugen Type R. So, I don't know what it has. It's it's very Jap.
The Japs are coming.
Jap attack.
Where'd they go?
I don't know. That's a good question. Oh, there they are.
I wanted to get better parking, but shit's pretty fucking cool.
Yeah, I parked by a bunch of Volkswagens.
Filled up pretty fucking early.
Yeah, I was spitting flames, not like coming in here, but down the road. And then there was a race right after that.
You guys seen the Volkswagen?
No.
Hopefully.
The what?
The Volkswagen shooting hella flames.
No, we were looking at the anime Honda, fantasizing.
gonna be ready? When you're going down the road?
Well, never because it's a CM.
Oh,
But, you know.
Okay.
You see the
I'm
blueberries and cherries behind you, man.
No, I gotta bead blast, sandblast the frame. Powder coat it. I don't know if I'm gonna powder coat it. Well, I might just spray it. But.
One message.
Buy your Noisy Boys merch from this man right here. If you need any, hit me up. Shit's fucking fire. All the glitter on it, you know. If you need one, hit me up. $60.
Yeah.
It would be kind of fire if you went for like an all silver build.
What's your ad?
Like
So they know
silver
where to
frame,
buy it
silver
from.
tank.
At Mr. Yogurt on Instagram. Oh, that's kind
Yellow headlight.
Yeah.
What?
Valid.
She told you to leave, Yogi.
I ain't got a Libra. I run this shit.
I gotta go see Melvin. I gotta trade paper for electronic. What up, man? He's kind of clean. I see that driving around all the time. The Hondas took up all the first parking spots, and they got a fucking.
I feel like the
picnic
cherry
going
blossom really set this car off.
on. No, I don't like it.
No, I love it.
I like my boy.
Although it looks like a female-driven kind of thing.
Where did I?
It's
Oh, I was
still
going
fire as
Melvin.
fuck.
No, I like my boy JJ. It's all important stuff to have while driving.
Oh hell no. Oh hell no. Oh, bro brought the dirt bike out? Say less. We turning tonight. What's up, man? How you doing?
No, we didn't set up the tent. I fixed the radiator and the condenser.
Woo! No!
Hey man, you gonna get a little two smoker? Come out here.
Do you want to buy some Hot Wheels?
Hot Wheels?
Yeah.
I'll take a look.
He bought one.
I only buy them for my friends, and the only friend I buy them for is that guy. And that guy right there, he's got like fucking all of them. You probably already know this.
No, we bought more. I switched out this one for this one.
All I'm looking for is Beamers.
I told him he has to. There's a Jaguar.
Where's the Beamers?
Well, if you still got some of these,
2,
when
4,
I've got
6,
some more
10,
money,
10. It's 10.
because I'm spending a lot on car parts.
It's
next couple
$10.
years and moving, so.
It's $10 for that pack.
crib.
I wish I could get a new
Call it
crib.
the Noisy Boy Hype House.
You're running.
Ooh.
I switched out that one for that one. Right now.
I kind of don't blame you, bud. That's a good
I had to go
switcheroony.
to a wedding.
Yeah, but it's I want to hold the camera. It's in Tennessee and Missouri.
Don't drop.
I will.
Yeah, no, that's a little bit of ways.
Here. I'll vlog you while you walk around.
Okay. All right.
Let's walk around. I'll vlog.
Okay, go look at Hagen's truck.
But this.
No, this one over here.
Whose car is this?
Hagen's.
Truck. He takes good care of this bitsy.
That is a Toyota.
Get the tent.
Huh?
Yeah, we really
Nice.
can't forget about this love tap right here.
Oh, yeah.
Can't let that slide.
How come I can't see from here?
You're good, just tap it.
See, this just happened recently. I know he's upset about that one.
Oops.
But hey, yo.
I'll show him that. I'll show him that. what you just did.
With the,
She's still sturdy regardless
with
of the
the
dent.
specialized.
Specialized.
Stop.
Yeah,
There.
get the good ones. Get the action shot.
Noah
Boom,
Media
Nardo
coming at you
Gray,
live.
boom.
You already know. This boy right here.
No. Really?
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna look at it.
I forgot there's a cop here and he's just like cruising around.
Where'd Noah go?
I was just showing you the back of your head.
A new car.
Yeah, I got another one. Evan's riding it.
Here comes up the good cars. With the what is it? Carbon fiber?
Carbon fiber.
Fiber. It's carbon fiber, not carbon fiber. With the motorcycles.
If you don't do a wheelie, I will report you to the police.
Dirt tires on the street, especially like this, you gotta be real careful.
I'm next. Oh,
No, but the crazy thing is he can ride. He just.
Hey, you said you would turn it off.
I know.
Can I have it?
How you doing, man?
About the G8.
Sounds kind of choppy.
Yeah, like you got a cam or something?
Or some.
Something like that.
Maybe a vacuum leak.
Shee! I don't think so.
Alright, we're gonna go with the Camaro first, okay? You ready? Go! Alright, hold on 1 second. We're trying to figure it out. Do it again. I wasn't done yet. I wasn't done yet.
What you think, Noah?
Can I vlog?
This is the one that spit flames, right?
Y'all make sure you stay
Very good doing business with you, my friend.
So how's Noisy Boys going?
Oh, it's gone pretty well.
Yeah. Fucking noisy.
I got my hoodie in the car. I swear I'm representing.
Yeah, I better see it in a little bit.
5 minutes.
Before I, all right.
So what?
You want to pull back a little bit over there, man? Just in case, you never know. Just to be safe, please. Hey, let's back up over there, please. Hey, you, yes, you're looking at me, yes. Just a little bit. Girl, you on the phone?
Lindsay.
1, 2, 3, go!
Nice, bro. That shit was nice.
Hey, do we gotta go again? Alright, we gotta go at the same time, okay? Okay?
The one with the flames, they sound the same. Give me some more cars to go insane, everybody.
Yeah, let's open up over there, please.
Now, bruh. Now, bruh.
Yo, I'm gonna be here to the dance.
He's got the juice. I might want to back up.
Where the pipe? Wait, where the pipes
Oh
at?
God.
Oh,
God.
nice. You guys want the route to left or the right?
Slide back here. Mine's in my book bag.
No excuses.
Mine's in my
No excuses.
Let's spread it all out. Let's spread it all out.
Say follow Nosy Boys on Instagram.
No.
Okay, great. Dang, he doesn't support.
Nah, you guys can't be barraged.
Let's just talk about this real quick. Gotta film it for the vlog, know what I mean?
You know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
That one hurt, bro. That one hurt.
You can't do that shit to me. I refuse to take this disrespect. I refuse to take this disrespect.
God damn, bro. That's worse than shooting with no earplugs. Swear to God. I ain't paying attention.
Noah, say follow Noisy Boys on Instagram.
Follow Noisy Boys on Instagram.
Yeah, he said fuck noisy boy. I mean, follow Noisy Boys on Instagram. Popping Jackson's truck for the two-stick. Yeah.
You're right. See this?
Shot.
Jackson's unfazed. Alright, I'm gonna take a break for the trucks and come back. I mean, if you want to. Yeah,
This is the guy behind the camera today. Guy behind the camera.
Mystery man.
How you feel about this truck, though?
I think it's a dub in his book, but it's an L in my book.
Can you feel that shit through your chest?
Yeah, I'm glad you can feel that shit through your chest.
Alright, so that one sounded like shit. And that one also is going to sound like shit. And then it's going to sound the exact same as the one behind it, too. Because all three of them are exactly the same. The
Evo's warming up.
Evo is lining up. What do you think about this truck, Noah?
Huh?
What do you think about the truck?
That one?
Yeah. Is it trash? Period.
It's a thumbs down. It's a thumbs down in my book.
That was way too in-depth. We're stealing your content.
Hey man, why do we got participation trophies out here?
That's what I'm saying.
Alright, this ain't 2 cents.
Fitz said it right. Why we got participation trophies? We don't need participation trophies.
We support all build here.
No. I have a sticker on.
I have a sticker on my car that says disrespect all builds.
Open up. What?
Open up.
Nah, that's crazy.
Do I even film this or no? Should I film it or no?
Probably not, just to save the viewers.
Yeah.
You know.
Save them some pain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo, where y'all Noisy Boys hoodies at?
Fuck you and that corporation. I don't trust corporations.
Where Blakesley at?
Good question.
He's the one in charge here.
Do
you hear the squeaking on the
Dude,
tires?
there's so much room right here.
Did you hear
Where's
the
he gonna go?
squeaking on his tires?
Yeah.
It was crazy.
It's because of the angle, probably.
They were like,
Alright, y'all, I'm pretty done with all this popping and banging on loud cars. So, if you're new, come back. If you're not new,
yeah, make sure y'all tune in.
she trying to tell me where to put the camera.
Headphone warning in a video and shit like that. Headphone user.
Yeah, nah. I'm out of here though. Come back for the next. Peace.